Philim Rohin Singh is a man on a mission, cycling for a cause. The COVID-19 pandemic has hit India like a storm. People have lost their jobs, they are unable to access medical facilities, and the country is facing shortages of hospital beds, oxygen concentrators, and life-saving drugs. During such grave circumstances the country is facing right now, a 24-year-old from Manipur, Philim Rohin Singh has shot into prominence with his unique Feed the Hungry initiative. A cycling enthusiast right from his childhood, Singh has so far cycled more than 5,000 kilometers in 2 months across the country, interacting and feeding hungry people during the pandemic. Singh started Feed the Hungry campaign when the pandemic broke out last year in his home state of Manipur. An initiative which was started by feeding just 50 to 60 people in a small northeastern state, today has fed more than 4,000 people across the country. Singh had a rough childhood. While his parents were divorced when he was just 5 years old, he lost his father when he was in the 12th grade. Having developed a passion for cycling in his childhood, the turning point in Singh's life came in the year 2017 when he fell sick while in the national capital Delhi due to the extreme air pollution. He started his first ever excursion soon after in January 2018 from Delhi to Imphal to create awareness for pollution. During his pollution-free India bicycle ride, Singh realized that drug addiction amongst Indian youth is quite high. This led to his second bicycle excursion in March 2018 for both pollution and drug addiction awareness. It was after his second trip that Singh set up the Cycling for Humanity initiative under whose banner he conducts all his excursions for some or the other cause. He has also conducted various other campaigns like Save Sangai and Humanity at Manipur in 2018, Water for Life during which he cycled from Kashmir to Kanyakumari and others. He has also set Guinness records for cycling from Kashmir to Kanyakumari over the years. Philim Rohin Singh has conducted various kinds of humanitarian works, and he is currently a well-recognized name in the country. But if there is one thing which for sure has been a constant during all these is his love for cycling. Please like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.